Hi everybody, I'm Norma, the executive chef here at Brooks Winery, and today we're going to be going over the perfect pairing for May. It is butter-poached colossal shrimp with a lemon cream sauce, a little bit of foraged mushrooms, and some wilted spinach to finish. And it is paired with our 2017 Wascher Riesling. So to start, we're going to make our poaching liquid. We are going to take some unsalted butter, of course. I'm going to use a little bit of the Wascher Riesling. Just gonna add a little bit of that in there. I have some cloves of peeled garlic. Gonna take those out and just use the back of your knife, and you're just going to press down just to lightly smash them, and those are gonna go in as well. We're also going to take the zest of 1 lemon. Then lastly, we're just going to use the juice of that lemon. And we're gonna put this on very low heat on the stove just until the butter melts and all of the ingredients have a chance to infuse into each other. Get our mushrooms ready. Today I'm using maitake mushrooms. You can use any mushroom for this, and you just wanna take the mushrooms and kind of peel them back. And lastly, we're going to get to the shrimp here. These have all been peeled and deveined, and I just want to lightly season these with just a tiny bit of salt and pepper. You just want to have a medium-sized pan. We are going to let this slowly start to heat up. As you can see in here, the poaching liquid is getting nice and incorporated, and the smell is amazing. We're gonna take a little bit of olive oil. And because these mushrooms really hold up to the heat, I like to put them in first, and then I will add the garlic next, just so that the garlic will not burn. Go ahead and add just a little bit of salt to this. And we're gonna cook these just till they're soft. We're gonna take that little bit of garlic and just add it in. Now we're gonna add a little bit of cream. And we're gonna juice the lemon in here. Take these and very gently just put them in the liquid. And this is on a very low heat right now, cooking the shrimp. The shrimps are probably going to only take 2 to 3 minutes, but as you can see, just beautiful color. Now we're gonna take the shrimp and just flip them. Now you can see that the bubbles are getting a little bit thicker. At this point, we are going to take a nice handful of spinach, and we're just gonna let it wilt right on top. To plate, we're just gonna take some of those mushrooms and spinach and set it right down the base of your bowl here. We're just going to take our shrimp. They look so great. Just going to place these around. And then to finish, I'm just gonna take a little bit of olive oil, or lemon olive oil, and some microgreens, and just lightly dress those. Kind of just toss them around. Just gonna place these right on top. And there is the perfect pairing for May. Let's eat it. It goes perfect. Well, cheers, everybody. Happy May to you and Mother's Day coming up. I hope you all get the opportunity to come into Brooks and enjoy this meal and everything else that I have coming towards you on the new menu. Cheers. So that's a whip, a wrap, that's a wrap. Okay. I'm gonna have to get like a neck brace at some point. Come see me.